Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2012 GMC Terrain SLT, stock number Z6193A. 98,000 miles on this one-owner, local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, onyx black in color. The Terrain is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a two-tone leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Hitch and wiring. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear. Additional power outlet. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SLT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power seat with memory settings for 2 drivers, power moonroof, large, easy-to-read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio, it's also satellite radio capable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, power liftgate, and power moonroof. Under the hood, this Terrain has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 70% of tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6193A to 662.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.